Hey, you guys. Oh, it's literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. What's up, guys? I hope today is going to be like fairly quick. I just wanted to go over the most recent flip box I ordered. I did do a flip video previously. It was my very first order. I have now had a chance to kind of get used to the app. I still kind of like it, but I have some feelings about it. They do have very good name brands on there, but they also, I don't know, like they push brands that I think that, they want you to try, kind of like BoxyCharm and Ipsy does. So it's like I gave up a BoxyCharm and Ipsy and now I'm doing flips. So it's like... Also, like my current standings things, I did find out a couple things about actually advertising the products and earning money. I did find out that the videos can only be 60 seconds long, which is fine because everyone wants short form content. I also found out that you have to review the items you get for free. Otherwise, they don't let you do more free items later. I had gotten 3 free items in the last order that I did because I spent 150 bucks with the 30% off. So it was like 75 bucks or something like that. But I did get 3 free items. And when I went to go buy some more stuff and put free items in my cart, it had said that I needed to review my free items before I could get more free items. Even though I did 2 reviews of the free items, I still have 1 left over and they would not let me pick another free item until I did the 3rd free item. No big deal. I did it. Here's my second order. I mean, I guess before we get into it, I will say that I've kind of made like a little niche of like my content on Flip. I'm trying to do like the product I order from Flip versus like a more well-known or more expensive product. And I seem to be getting a little bit of traction there. I think so far, I'll put like little stats up here. I think so far, I mean, right now I have like 50 some dollars in rewards and that's all money that I can use towards buying stuff. But they also have like a cash out, like here's how much money you've earned in the app because of the videos that you've posted. I think I'm only at like $7 and that's really, it's supposed to just grow. But I do think that I read somewhere that you only earn money like within the views of the first 30 days of posting the video. I am not positive about that, but I think I read that somewhere. But anyway, hey, I got $7 saved up in a bank. Maybe when I get to 20 one day, I'll, take it out and buy myself some fast food or something. Anyway, let's get into the products and kind of what I'm going to do with the app moving forward. So this is my cute little box. They do give you the biodegradable peanuts, which I'm very happy about because I hate dealing with the styrofoam ones. You do get a little booklet with your order slip and a return shipping label, which I did use on my last order. I returned a few things and I got the credit back. They don't even credit your account. They just put the money back on the card that you use. So I actually got that money back. It wasn't like a store credit or anything. So some stats on what I got. I got $75.90 worth of stuff, but I only paid $45.19 because I used $18.27, which was my 30% of the cash, that $50 I have in there. That's the 30% that they took off of my $60 total, and then I got the $15 free item. So the shipping is free with taxes and stuff. I only paid $45.19, but it is a $75.90 value. Now the first 2 things that I got, not exciting, but if you watched my last video, I bought for $7.95, they had the Public Goods surface cleaner, and I actually really did end up liking that stuff. Again, I liked the kind of minimalist bottle with the matte black spray top thing. Really loved it. It smelled really good and it worked, So they actually had the Public Goods surface cleaner refills, and these were only $1.95, and this is just the concentrated liquid that you would squeeze into that bottle and fill with water. And so I basically got 2 more bottles of that surface cleaner. So definitely wanted to get these because I thought for $2, it's less than what you would spend at Target. And then this was my free item. If you guys caught my hair video, I am in love with this stuff. I shampooed today, so my hair is like a little bit more fluffy, but I am on day what seems like 250 of no flat iron. I'm really trying to give it a shot, guys. My hair looks, it looks okay. I mean, you know, it's something. Anyway, I love this spray, and when I saw that they had it as a free item, I was like, well, I'm buying shit anyway. Let me get this as my free item. This is the Kristen S Blow Dry Assist Mist. I love this stuff. I actually already took a clip from the YouTube video you saw me do Kristen S on, and I uploaded it on Flip for this. So I already made my video for my free item, so I can get free items the next time. All right, the next thing that I got was this Florence toner. I believe this was, let me see here. So this was $19, and again, I knew that I was going to get 30% off, and my hubs and I are really enjoying using a toner before we go to bed, and then when we wake up before we go to the gym. We were out of the Elemis, we were out of the vegan, whatever the hell was in my declutter video, so I needed some new toner, and I wanted another bottle that was similar to the Elemis bottle that had the pump top, because we just keep a little container of cotton rounds on the bathroom sink, and then I just want to be able to push down, wipe my face off, and go. I hate screw top bottles that you have to, like, you know, we have used this last night and this morning. I have nothing bad to say about this one. I really do like this one a lot. This is the episode 2 Clear the Way toner. It's supposed to like take off the extra oil and sebum that your pores create, and so we really do like this one. The next item, everybody's probably going to recognize this. They do have a lot of e.l.f. products on Flip, but this is the Putty Bronzer. It was $7 on Flip. I was getting 30% off. I mainly wanted to get this one because I recently got the NARS cream bronzer. And so when I do a Flip video, I'm going to do a side-by-side competition of these two. People really seem to like the drugstore versus the high-end, so I am going to do a video on that. And we'll see how that one goes, because I have never tried the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer, but I love this NARS bronzer. Oh my god, I love it so much. All right, the next item that I bought, I've actually been wanting to try this brand for a while, and this one, okay. This is About Face. This is the Light Lock Lip Gloss. This was $13. Again, I was getting the 30% off. I don't really know what I paid for it, but they were kind of showing this off as a dupe for the Fenty Lemon Heat lip gloss or whatever. I actually got this one because I thought that I could do a comparison video on this Maybelline gloss that I have. And then I got it, and I love this packaging. It's really, really, really pretty, but it's definitely yellow and kind of has some glitter holographic. I wonder, God, I am so shiny today. I mean, why not? Let's just go ahead and put this on. But if you see how this like applies, it has like a holographic effect. It's like, I guess on camera, you can't see it, but I mean, it's pretty. I like it, but so many glitter particles in there. I tried wiping it off one time and I was like, oh, lots of glitter. But anyway, I'm probably going to do a video of this versus either the Patrick Ta She's Expensive, which this is so good, guys. This is so good. But maybe this Patrick Ta She's Expensive, or a closer in kind of glitter content is the Sugar Pill Oh Honey lip gloss. So I'm going to do a video on those two. Kind of why I bought this one, but I actually kind of like the way, especially over that brown lipstick, I like the way that it looks. It looks kind of nice, and it does have like a really nice taste. It just has that like glitter factor in it. When you clean it off, you have like glitter particles everywhere. And then the last item that I ordered on this Flip order, you probably recognize this. This is the Keys Comforting Lip Balm. I was interested in this because I am a huge fan of the Rare Beauty lip balms. Like, I love these things so much. I have 3 different colors in them. I use them all of the time. That's what I have on underneath this lip gloss. I have it in the shade Support and Thankful. I also have Empathy, which is in my purse right now. But these are like the most comfortable lip balms, and they have such a nice tint. They're hydrating. They wear well. When they wear off, it's not noticeable. I love these so much. And when I saw that they had these Keys Comforting Lip Balms, what is funny is the name on the keys is Gratitude, and the actual line of these are called With Gratitude. So I just thought I have to do a video on that on Flip. So I'm going to definitely do a Keys versus the Rare Beauty lip balm video on Flip. All right, that's it. Just to round out, we got the 2 Public Goods surface cleaner refill cleaner. I got my favorite Kristen S blow dry mist. Hubs and I got a new face toner from Florence. I got the e.l.f. putty bronzer. I got the About Face kind of dupe for the lemon lip gloss heat whatever thing, and then I got the Keys comforting lip balm. So listen, if you want to check out how any of these are working, I'm gonna leave the Flip link below in my description box. That is going to take you to the app, and also if you use that link, it will give you $20 already to start to put in your bank towards purchasing items. I think I get a kickback from that, I'm not sure, but anyway, I'm Ugly Bunny on there. You can search for me, check out my Versus videos, and just support me however you can. That's all I have for you today, guys. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. I can't really ask you to comment on much because I know a lot of people probably aren't on Flip, but let me know if you'd be interested in taking a look at it, or if you know for a fact you like any of these products in real life, because I haven't really tried a lot of them yet, except for my must. And if you could subscribe so you can follow all of my antics, that would be the awesomest. I love you so, so much. I will see you on the next one.